today we're going to the Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5 garage at the Shell 7-Eleven gas station. Hold on here. Yep, we're gonna back up. You know, we just turned in YouTubers. Oh, there's a car behind us too. Okay. So are you going to fold the seats down too? Okay. Yep, the seats are down now.
I'm putting the card in here.
Yep.
I'm going to do the $12 wash.
Yep. And we're in my friend's Tahoe, even though he has a Corvette. There's the $12 Works, $10 Deluxe, and $8 Express.
Look, it's lighting up.
Yep. All right. Here we go. And we're in Plano, Texas, YouTubers.
It's getting the undercarriage.
Yep. Oh, let's turn the radio off.
Oh man, look at this guy.
Yep. And it's a Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5. Hey friend, do you recognize that this is actually the same system as the one on MacArthur around Grove Road?
Is it?
Yeah, obviously just the same system.
Man, it's like giving it like a nice wrench down.
Yeah, even though you've been to the one on MacArthur around Grove Road many times. So we'll see which one you would like better. It looks like it's spraying the wheels too, since it's going back a little bit. Yep, I see the wheel dinghy spinning. The blasters for the rocker panel.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
That's nice.
Oh, that's got the whole entire car.
Yeah, this is my friend's 2018 Chevy Tahoe. You know, he drives two cars, a Corvette and the Tahoe. Yep.
So I'm sorry, what is this system called again?
A Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5.
And how many of these have you seen?
Well, I've seen a few Max 5s, but I've seen a lot of Maxes. The older
This is
Softgloss
better
Maxx.
than the one in the Plano.
Yeah. I agree. The one on Warren and Parkwood Boulevard.
Look at this.
The one I was the first customer at a long time ago.
Are they rubber or foam?
It looks like it's rubber. Do you like this better than the one on Round Grove and MacArthur Boulevard since it's the same system? In the back for a long time. At least it got the back for a long time. Okay, here's the rinse again. Okay, and it's scrubbing the front too.
So I guess this is like the spotness.
You know this part's the freshwater rinse. I think this is the Rain X.
So how long do you think that these things normally take? This one's taking a little bit longer than usual,
Okay,
right?
so my video lasted for 7 minutes, so let's see.
Oh, there goes the dryer.
Yep. Remember when the Exxon MacArthur and Mount Grove Road did the same thing too? The top brush was spinning?
Oh, nice dry. Look at that.
Yep. And it's coming from the side, those little vents. Look up, look at the side. Yep, there it is. It's going up and down. Coming back from the vents. There it is.
So now it's time to inspect the vehicle.
Yep, once the green light comes on. Okay, let's inspect it. And over there's a Shell gas station with a 7-Eleven again. Here's the sign. And that next car is going in right now. Okay, let's inspect it. Looks pretty clean.
Yeah. Great job.
Yep. A pretty clean 2018 Chevy Tahoe. You know, my parents has a 2012. Oh, let's look at the window. And look at the tires.
And I highly recommend getting a microfiber wash towel so you can wipe it down.
Yeah.
And then the car would be perfect if I had a microfiber towel.
Yeah. So far, that was the car wash up there with the sign.
Very happy with it.
If you buy 4 washes, get 1 free. Okay, so if you save your receipts, you can get a car wash for free if you wash weekly here. Do you think you would do that? Like save your receipts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start doing that.
Yeah. And that's the vacuums right there. And you can hear your tires there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTube. This was a Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5 car wash at the Shell 7-Eleven gas station. Bye. Say bye. Okay, say bye to the YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank